5 most unique international borders around the world. The world is full of international borders, splitting lands from one another since the early days of humankind. Moreover, there are many unique international borders around the world that you must know. So today, Kachitharumbu will introduce to you some of the most unique international borders. So let's go to the video. Number 1. Peñón de Vélez de la Gomera. Peñón de Vélez de la Gomera, Spain, is the shortest border in the world at only 85 meters. This border is constantly being monitored by helicopters and the army to ensure security between the two countries. This international border is a Spanish exclave and rocky-bound island located in the western Mediterranean Sea. Peñón de Vélez de la Gomera is connected to the Moroccan's sandy east shore. Moreover, it is also tied to a smaller islet to the east called La Isleta. On the Moroccan side, the international border is attached to the town of Badis. Therefore, the place's other name is Hajar Badis. Number 2. Slovakia, Austria, Hungary border. Have you ever thought of standing in 3 different countries at once? The good news is you can do it. In these 3 countries, a triangular picnic table lies in a tri-point between the international borders of Austria, Slovakia and Hungary. Moreover, you can also have lunch on this triangular picnic table. Just move where you are sitting to travel between each country one by one. Such an amazing experience, isn't it? However, you might have an audience while eating. This is because international borders are controlled by the country's armies. Number 3. Vatican City. This country located inside Italy is Vatican City, which is also the smallest country in the world with only 121 acres of land. Vatican City is prominent for its religious influence worldwide. As a historical hub, the country attracts millions of visitors every day. You can go inside Vatican City without needing to perform border control. In fact, you probably will not even notice that you are no longer in Italy as you have entered Vatican City territory. Number 4. Haskell Free Library and Opera. This building lies exactly on the international borders of the US state of Vermont and the province of Quebec, Canada. You can also visit this building both from US and Canada. However, there is one thing that you should notice. You cannot go to the opposite country's door while visiting. If you exit into the other country, you will get into trouble. So please bear this in mind. Number 5. Spain and Portugal border. Did you know that you can actually cross the border between Spain and Portugal by zipline? This adrenaline rush vehicle mode is what makes our international border interesting. However, you can only do this from Spain to Portugal, not the other way around. Still, this is an exciting thing to do. This transportation mode called Limit Zero is located in Sanlúcar de Guadiana, Spain. The facility provides visitors with a unique journey crossing over the Guadiana River. In fact, this is the first cross-border zipline in the world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off.